Hi everyone! In this short video, we will demonstrate our agent's advanced planning capabilities. This includes providing step-by-step instructions to end users by utilizing real-time video processing from screen sharing sessions. I have triggered a CPU alert by doing something funky with the Roblox application. As we can see, the agent has already messaged me to notify me about this issue. I will now call the agent to ask about this alert and request step-by-step instructions on resolving the issue while sharing my screen. Okay, let's call the agent now.
Hi, welcome to the service desk. I'm Nix. How can I help you today?
Hi Nex, I received an alert that my computer is running slow. Can you help me with this, please?
Of course. Let me take a look at that for you. It will just take a second. Sure, I see that the CPU of your computer is utilized at 90% for more than 5 minutes. The application Roblox is the one consuming the most CPU. Would you like me to help you with this?
Yes, please. Can you give me step-by-step instructions on how to shut down Roblox? I'll share my screen now.
Absolutely. I can guide you through that. Let me set up a screen share for us. It will just take a second. Click on Roblox in the Task Manager to highlight it.
Wait. How I go to Task Manager?
No worries. To open the Task Manager, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. This will bring up the Task Manager window.
Okay.
Great. Once you're in the Task Manager, click on Roblox to highlight it. Let me know when you've done that.
Okay.
Awesome. Next, at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window, click on End Task. This will close Roblox.
You mean this button here?
Yes, that's right. Click on the End Task button at the bottom right corner.
Okay, done it. Thanks.
You're welcome. If you need any more help, just let me know. Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye. Okay, in this video, we demonstrated our agent's advanced step-by-step instruction capabilities using video processing from screen sharing sessions. This feature offers an ideal autonomous solution for troubleshooting end-user issues. We also saw the agent responding to interruptions, which was nice. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching.